Okay, so here we are. We got our fifth wheel. We've got it pretty much set up. And there is a storm going on. The dogs are scared. And our awning is coming down. So it's pouring down rain, if you can hear it. My son's out there. And he's going to try to get someone to help him put the awning down. So we're going to see how that goes. So anyway, here we are. We're staying dry. No leaks so far. So that's a good thing. So that's the only thing. The awning is out. And it's storming. Other than that, we're doing pretty well in this thunderstorm. The dogs are scared. But he's on my bed. So, and there's Bella. She's down here hiding. So, we're doing pretty well, considering. Yeah, are you scared, Biddy? It's okay, honey. We're gonna be alright. Biddy's not scared. Bella, Molly, whoever. She's not scared. She's nice and comfy on her bed here. So, we're going to see how this goes. So, have a good night. Bye.